Fireball, I was laughing hysterically like the entire time on it, just like how weird and crazy that thing is. I really like riding the Turbulent roller coaster. Fireball was also a lot of fun too. I've been an ACE member since I was 11 years old, so about 18 years. It's a lot of fun to get to meet all of the management at the parks and just hear about their experiences. So I like that they have something that's like a little bit more unique, and like some of the rides they have are honestly like kind of European. Like that's kind of the vibe you get.
This park feels a little European. It does.
It's cool. I dig it.
Fun.
Seeing the excitement of everyone when they're on rides, roller coasters, and even some of the smaller things we do, like silent auctions that are going on right now, and meals. There's just a lot of enthusiasm amongst all of us, and we're all having a blast.
It's a complete family team here that is making what we're doing here pretty successful. We feel very honored and privileged that we were chosen to be part of the ACE community.
All right now, savvy mates, we're gonna head on this ship here, this glorious ship. We're gonna unhook the anchors, we're gonna take it over to Tortuga, round ourselves up a crew and raid Belgian Punga and all that fun stuff.